In today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to be showing you some Brookhaven promo codes or secret codes that you can use to get free VIP and more in Brookhaven in 2025. This is working as of today's date, and it's working on iOS and Android devices. So you need to use your mobile phone to do this, and this is going to get you the best Brookhaven codes for a free VIP pass and more. So use your mobile phone. As you can see, I'm using an iPhone, and go to robotcoupons.com. So robot coupons, this is an awesome website. I use them for tons of different things. You just need to navigate your way to the Brookhaven page, and this is going to pop up Brookhaven secret codes. Scroll down, and there's a few different things you can get here. Well, a couple of different things. You can get a free VIP game pass in Brookhaven. You can unlock all game passes in Brookhaven as well. So click on show code, and this is going to pop up. This is your Brookhaven code that you will need to unlock. Obviously, this is a pretty desirable code. This one is as well. So you will need to unlock your personal codes. Tap on that button and just wait a few seconds whilst this loads up. I've been using this, guys, and it is working, like I said, in 2025, and it is the easiest method. So this is going to pop up, code unlocker. So you need to unlock your Brookhaven code. And to do this, you need to complete 2 tasks below to unlock your code. Follow the instructions. It takes 30 seconds and verifies you're not a robot. So you're going to get a list of tasks like I see here. And these things are like mobile games or surveys. You just need to complete 2 of them and follow the instructions. So as an example, this Domino's Dreams is a mobile game. It says in-store, open and complete chapter 4. So you would click on it. It would take you to the App Store where you would need to get the game and play it until you complete level 4. Alternatively, there can be surveys like this one. It says finish a survey. So all you would need to do is click on it and follow the steps and instructions to complete the survey here. And basically, once you fully complete 2 of them, it's going to basically reveal your code. So obviously I skipped forward that step, but basically complete 2 tasks, your Brookhaven secret code will be revealed, and that is how to get free VIP or unlock all game passes in Brookhaven. So go to Robot Coupons and find this Brookhaven page, guys, by searching for it, and just follow through all of the steps you've seen in this tutorial and enjoy. Smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.